Mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya gĩthomo Julius Bitok ni areganite na riboti iria iriga kurekererio ni minister wa kĩgĩna John Mbadi ya kuuga thirikari ndĩrĩ na kĩgĩna gĩa kũigana gĩa kũrũgamĩrĩra marĩhi ma gĩthomo gĩa cukuru cia mũthingi na cia secondary gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
You subsidize people who cannot. You don't subsidize everybody. My child also does exams. Why should the government pay for my child examination fee? I can afford it.
I want to assure the country that the policy on free primary and secondary education has not changed. The government will continue financing education through capitation as it has been over the years. There's no change.
Bitok ogete thirikari irisemba ugutigirira mutaratara wa gĩthomo ndũnathogo kĩgĩna gĩkĩ gĩa gĩthomo no gĩkuthie na mbere na kurekererio ta ũrĩa gũtũrĩte kuma president wa Kathatũ Mwai wa Kibaki arugũririe mutaratara ũyũ.
In the history of this country, the government is putting in 700 billion Kenya shillings to education. It has never happened in the history of this country. Actually, to be precise, 702 billion Kenya shillings goes to the Ministry of Education. It is 25% of the budget.
Omagaretio ni mũmbunge wa Kilifi North Owen Mbaya bĩndĩ ya igongona rĩa gũkũngũĩra arĩa mekire wega bĩndĩ ya kĩgeranio gĩa KCSE kĩa mwaka mũbĩtũku thukuru-inĩ wa airĩtu wa St Thomas kaunti-inĩ ya Kilifi. Mbaya nĩ ateanĩirie ndeto ĩno akiuga ĩno ĩrarĩ mĩario ya Mbadi kĩũmbe ĩndĩ ti mũrũgamo wa thirikari.
Saying yes, that is a personal opinion of he's trying to play around with his ideas in his head, but that should not be discussed as a government position. It is not a government position.
Mbaya obo ogete bunge ni ebadete ugutigirira rubonge rwa gĩthomo ni rwamũkĩra kĩgĩna gĩkĩ ibinda-inĩ rĩrĩa rĩagĩrĩire.
That we shall not reduce money for capitation for schools. And I want to make it very clear. Anyone who has doubt, let him hear it from me. We will continue to fund, including funding examinations. We will not cut.
Geribotera Inoro TV, Jetago Mase, Wadia wa Mũrĩithi.